Hey guys, Seton HVAC here on this happy Monday. Don't have any content for you HVAC related today, but just out doing yard work, getting the grass cut, get my string trimmer out, my Milwaukee M18 string trimmer, and then my Husqvarna zero turn lawnmower. But this isn't a landscaping channel, so I won't bore you with that. But you know, I was just kind of watching some HVAC videos today, and I noticed that most of the HVAC channels are one-man shows, and I think there's a reason for that. It's kind of funny. You know, the channels that are going smooth, where there's not a lot of issues, are the ones where it's somebody who knows what they're doing, and that's it's funny because that's why these guys are working by themselves. And then I come across Mr. Mikey Pipes, the pipe doctor, today, and wow, I mean, I don't have patience for that. You know, the guy, watching him try to test the capacitor, watching him work these basic hand tools, it scares the living hell out of me, is what it does. It really scares me, and makes me want to work by myself, because man, bad things can happen. You know, you get the wrong guy on a job site, and I've seen it, man. They could burn somebody's house down, you know, cause some serious issues in somebody's home or business, and it's really scary, man. It's really scary. I was watching this guy fumble and bumble around with the meter, and you know, I know old Mikey Pipes doesn't have much patience, but God, he's got more than I would with that. I would have to grab that thing out of his hand real quick, because he's gonna hurt somebody else, or more importantly, he's gonna hurt himself, and nobody wants that. So just a quick little video here on this Monday. Don't got much going on. I'm heading back out to that full system job tomorrow, and we're gonna work plug away. Today was kind of just a recovery day. Went out and had lunch with the wife. Like I said, I got my yard all landscaped. I got grass clippings in my ear right here. But you know, you do that stuff when you can. I got a big yard, and I signed up for this when I bought the house, so I shouldn't bitch. I hate when people bitch about things they have to do around the house, or things that are normal things you need to do, because if you don't want to do them, then don't set yourself up in life to have to do them. But yeah, it's real scary, man. I mean, at some point I'm gonna have to get myself a journeyman or something to do the work for me, because my body hurts, my back hurts right now, and I don't know, my knees, my elbows, my shoulders, everything is just hurting really bad. And you know, at some point I'm going to have to find someone else to take the reins, and it's going to be really hard for me to do that. Really hard for me to do that. It scares the hell out of me. But you know, I'm not going to be able to retire here in the next few years. I was hoping I could do that, but it's not going to work out that way. But maybe by the age of 55 I can. And I say that, but it'll probably end up being the age of 60. But we will see. I just need to find somebody. If you guys want to come out and work in this beautiful area of Central Oregon, and you're good at HVAC, but you're not ready to be a business owner, but you feel like I could give you a truck, and you could just write off and don't tell me anything until you hand me a check, then you be my guy. I don't want to hire somebody who is going to call me the first hour on the job and ask me what the hell they need to do here or do there. I just want to give you the project and send you on your way, and I don't want to hear anything till you're handing me a check. Okay, that's the type of guy I want. I'm not going to train somebody on the basic shit. If you don't know it, I'm not going to hire you. And like I said, Mikey Pipes is pretty patient for doing that. I'm not going to do that. If I hire a journeyman, you better be able to go out and do that job like I would. You better do it faster than me, because you're going to be younger than me. But you better be able to do that job without any problems, and you better just hand me a check, and I will give you your paycheck, and I'll give you bonuses for getting stuff done faster. That's all I want, man. So if you want to come out, there's lots of work out here. The pay is very good. The cost of living is pretty high, but it is pretty much everywhere. But the pay is very good, and I will be very generous to somebody that can just take the reins from me. I'll run the business. You go out and get the work done. I can find the work. I can sell the work. I can do all that part. If you, I can take care of the service calls as need be if you're not service oriented. But man, somebody that can just get out there and kick ass on installs, I would be so for it, and I would be so grateful, and your paycheck would show it. So yeah, just relaxing on this Monday. We're back at it tomorrow. Me and my brother, we're gonna do some crawling. It's the late 40s, over middle-aged crew, and it's pretty sad actually that we have to do it. But there's no kids out there that can do it. Like I said, there's a chance they'll burn somebody's house down, or they just don't like spiders. That's how they are. Oh, I'm not a big fan of spiders. I go, well, we're not going to work out, man. I'll see you later. You better move on your merry way and get back to your desk job or whatever it is that you feel more comfortable with. If I get a kid straight out of tech school, he thinks he's going to be, just carrying a Vito pack and carrying his screwdrivers and his meter, and he thinks he's going to stay clean. Not going to happen with me, dude. You're going to have to work your ass off like I do, and get this stuff done, because I'm tired of the wimps. I'm tired of these soy boy pieces of shit that don't want to work. And if you're tough and you can get the job done, and you're not afraid of tight spaces, and you're fairly healthy, and you take care of yourself, and you work out like I do, then I'm all for it. So yeah, I like to party, but you know what? I know how to do it and still get my work done and still take care of my customers. And I want somebody who's going to work with me that can do that as well. So all that being said, enjoy your early week. It's really hot here. It's about 95 today, and I'm dying. I need help. Summer is upon us. Thanks for watching.